Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today's SBEV just filed a 1-for-4 reverse stock split, and I am seeing one red flag that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. Splash Beverage Group is doing a reverse stock split to try and get its stock price up, but trading has already been halted because it is so low. This filing is from Splash Beverage Group, Incorporated, a company in the beverage industry. They are filing a Form 8K, which is a report for significant events that shareholders should know about. The main event happened on July 16th, 2026. Basically, the company is changing its stock structure. They filed a certificate of change with the state of Nevada to do a reverse stock split. This means they are reducing the number of shares they have, but the total value is supposed to stay the same. This is a 1-for-4 reverse stock split, so for every 4 shares you own, you will have only 1 share left. This is often done to increase the stock price. If you had 100 shares, you would end up with 25 shares. They are also cutting down the total number of shares they are allowed to issue from 400 million to 100 million. This is done to keep the company from issuing too many shares later on. The identification number for their stock, called a CUSIP number, will also change. This is pretty standard when a reverse split happens. Now here is the really concerning part. On the same day, the New York Stock Exchange American or NYSE American halted trading for Splash Beverage Group stock. Why? Because the stock price dropped below 10 cents. When trading stopped, the stock was worth just 9.36 cents. This is incredibly low and is a major red flag. They expect trading to restart on July 27th, 2026 after the reverse stock split has taken effect. To put the reverse split in simpler terms, every 4 old shares become 1 new share. This is an attempt to boost the price per share. For example, if a stock was trading at 5 cents and they did a 1-for-4 split, the new price would theoretically be 20 cents. This split also affects other things like stock options and warrants. Their numbers will be adjusted too, so everything stays in proportion. Looking at the bigger picture here, Splash Beverage Group is in a tough spot. Trading being halted on the NYSE American because the stock price is so low is a serious issue. This typically happens when a company is struggling financially. This filing is with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and it is important for transparency in the stock market. This is a current report, meaning it is for a significant event that just happened. This is mandated by US law to keep investors informed. The company's name again is Splash Beverage Group Incorporated. They are incorporated in Nevada. Their main type of stock is common stock, with a very small value of $0.001 per share. The ticker symbol for Splash Beverage Group is SBEV. This is where their stock is traded. Historically, companies that need to do reverse stock splits, especially when they are already trading at very low prices and get halted on major exchanges, often face significant challenges ahead. For instance, many micro cap companies that have gone through aggressive reverse splits without a corresponding improvement in their underlying business eventually end up delisted. A common pattern is that after a reverse split, the stock might see a temporary bump, but if the company's fundamentals don't improve, the price can continue to slide. Looking back, many companies that have faced similar situations have seen stock prices fall by another 20 to 40% in the months following a reverse split, especially if they were already struggling. A hypothetical $1,000 investment in such a situation could potentially shrink to between $600 and $800 if the business problems persist. The fact that their stock was halted at less than 10 cents per share before the reverse split is the most critical takeaway. This is a strong indicator of underlying business issues. While the reverse split might cosmetically increase the share price, it does not magically fix the company's financial health or business operations. The company mentions concerns about delisting and compliance with NYSE American requirements in the report, which are significant risks. The biggest concern here is that a reverse stock split is often a sign of distress, not a solution. It's like rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic. The company is trying to avoid being delisted from the NYSE American. If they were delisted, it would become much harder for investors to trade their shares, and the stock price would likely plummet further, potentially becoming nearly worthless. What I am actually looking for is evidence that Splash Beverage Group is addressing the core reasons for its low stock price and trading halt, not just the superficial stock price issue. Until the company demonstrates sustainable growth and a clear path to profitability, this reverse split feels like a temporary measure with significant long-term risks. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives.